Hello guys, welcome back to another video of hashtag A to Z with Varsha, and today we are going to learn letter O. So you can see already drawn guidelines here. You can also draw this by yourself, and here we will see the basic letter formation. Here we will do the lowercase flourishing, and this one is for uppercase flourishing. So let's get started. I will first make an entrance stroke. Then I will go like this, then up, again moving down and then out. For uppercase also I will do the same. This one should be thick as it is a downstroke. Now done with the basic formation. Now moving to lowercase flourishing. I'm starting this one with my go-to flourishing that I use in most of my letters. Now the next one is very simple. Third one is little tricky. Starting with a downstroke, then going up, then again I will move down and then again up and out. So these are my 4 lowercase letter O. Now moving to the uppercase letter O. First one. So here you can see whenever I am moving down, I am using a thick stroke for my downstroke, and now moving to the next one. Now for the third one, I will make a loop like this. So this is my third O. Now the last one. Uppercase flourishing is done. So now we are done with letter O. You can switch uppercase and lowercase flourished O. You just have to keep in mind that for lowercase letter O you have to write within the X height, and for uppercase letter O you can use the ascender line. So guys, this was all about letter O. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.